At Dr. N.G.P Institute of Technology, our Entrepreneurship Development Cell is more than just a support system. It's a launchpad for innovation.
We empower students to turn their ideas into reality, providing the resources, mentorship, and network they need to succeed.
Our workshops, guest lectures, and boot camps offer hands-on experience helping students build essential skills in business management, marketing, and finance.
From ideation to execution, our EDC guides students every step of the way, fostering an entrepreneurial mindset that drives them to excel.
We take pride in our students' achievements, many of whom have launched successful startups, creating a positive impact in the community.
At Dr. N.G.P Institute of Technology, we believe in nurturing the leaders of tomorrow. The future is yours to create.